Hello everyone, today we're going to be taking you a step-by-step on how to do a pregnancy test in some few minutes. In some few minutes you're able to do your home pregnancy test. Now you have missed your period and you are 2 weeks after your ovulation period. That's how early you can do your pregnancy test. What is the first thing you do? You purchase a pregnancy strip. This is a pregnancy strip which has been purchased already. Now what's the next thing you have to do is to check the expiry date. Is it expired? We check here and we see it is 2025 and we are in 2025, therefore it is not expired. You test around, you make sure that, because sometimes some ants or something might just burst it and air enters inside and your results might not be correct. So you touch it and you go round and ensure that it is not burst. This our own is not burst, therefore it is correct, it is good for use. What do you do now? You have there's a leaflet on how you should use it, how you should put it. It's important you read it as well, because each strip has its own peculiarities. What do you do before you want to do the pregnancy test? You go in and you urinate. It's important to use the early morning urine because it's concentrated, and the beta HCG, that's the human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, might be very high at that time. Therefore, and because the urine is not diluted. So how do you carry out a urine pregnancy test? You go, you urinate. This is our urine, and then this is our strip. There's an indentation here. You see there are two indentations. You can choose any one and you open gently. You are opening gently and we are using a flat surface. You open gently and take the strip. This is the pregnancy strip, and you check. You see there is the maximum line where the urine should not pass. So if you're putting this into your urine, putting your urine in a cup or a small container where you can drip it in, this is the maximum line, so it shouldn't cross this line. So the urine should end below this maximum line. So we have taken, this is it. We come, do this. You put now on a flat surface. This is a flat surface, and you wait for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes your results might be invalid. So within 5 minutes, so you put a stopwatch. You can check on your time. You put a stopwatch for it to alarm before 5 minutes, and you come and read your results. This is your result. If it shows 2 lines, then it is positive. 1 line, it is negative. If it shows 1 line and another line which is not really clear, that's faint, another faint line, so most of the times you still consider it as positive. But ensure that once you have done your pregnancy test and it shows positive, then you see your health personnel immediately. This was helpful, and if it was helpful, give a thumbs up to our video, share. And this is doing your pregnancy test at home in the shortest period of time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and God bless you. Bye.